This is the movie all about the basement bar. This is the bartender. Her name is Sasha. Say hi, Sasha.
Hi, Sasha.
She doesn't listen. This is where we live. We sleep in here. This is our bar uniform. Sasha, what are you doing? Don't open the cabinet. In the cabinet are the dolls. In the bar, we have lots of drinks. And you can get peanuts. Sasha, show them how to get peanuts. You made a mess, Sasha. Sasha, come here. Sasha is a bad bartender. This place is called Len's Place. Oh! Sasha, good.